Welcome to this tutorial on the mvsort command in Splunk SPL. The mvsort command is a powerful utility that helps you sort multi-value items within your search results. Multi-value fields are common in Splunk data, where a single field contains multiple values separated by delimiters. The mvsort command allows you to organize these values alphabetically or numerically, making your data more readable and organized for analysis and reporting. The mvsort command is specifically designed to sort values within multi-value fields in your search results. When you have fields that contain multiple values, such as a list of categories, tags, or any comma-separated data, mvsort helps you arrange these values in a structured order. This is particularly useful when you want to present data in a consistent format, or when you need to perform further analysis on sorted multi-value data. The basic syntax for the mvsort command is straightforward. You use the pipe symbol followed by mvsort, and then specify the field name you want to sort. The command follows the standard Splunk search pipeline structure, where you pipe your search results into the mvsort command. The field name parameter tells Splunk which multi-value field you want to sort within your dataset. Let's look at a practical example of how mvsort works. Imagine you have a fruits field containing the values apple, zebra, and banana in that order. Before applying mvsort, the values appear in their original sequence. After running the mvsort command on the fruits field, the values are automatically rearranged in alphabetical order, resulting in apple, banana, and zebra. This alphabetical sorting makes the data more organized and easier to read. Here's a complete example of using mvsort for alphabetical sorting. Starting with an index search on web data, you first use the eval command to split a category list field by commas, creating a multi-value field called categories. Then you apply the mvsort command to the categories field, which sorts all the category values alphabetically within each record. Finally, you use the table command to display the user and sorted categories fields in your results. mvsort also handles numerical data intelligently. When working with numeric values, the command recognizes numbers and sorts them accordingly. For example, if you have a scores field with values 100, 25, 5, and 200, mvsort will arrange them as 100, 200, 25, and 5. However, it's important to note that mvsort performs lexicographic sorting by default, which means it sorts numbers as strings rather than numeric values. When using mvsort, there are several best practices to consider. For optimal performance, apply mvsort after filtering your data to reduce the processing overhead on large datasets. When you need to sort multiple fields, use separate mvsort commands for each field rather than trying to sort multiple fields in a single command. This approach ensures better control over the sorting process and clearer, more maintainable search queries. To summarize, the mvsort command is an essential tool for organizing multi-value field data in Splunk. It provides cleaner analysis and better presentation of your search results by sorting values alphabetically or handling numeric data appropriately. Remember the simple syntax: pipe mvsort followed by your field name. This command helps transform messy, unsorted multi-value data into well-organized, readable results that are perfect for reporting and further analysis. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.